Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to delete address Amazon Shopping on computer. So how to delete address Amazon Shopping on computer? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to the Amazon application on your computer or laptop browser. And this is the initial display on Amazon Shopping. Next, just move the cursor to the upper left corner of the screen. Here there are several menus. And tap the Account and List menu here. Here a scrolling menu will appear. Tap on the Account menu. Now there will be lots of menu options. Tap your addresses here. Now here it will appear like this. Next, move the cursor to the address to be deleted. Tap Remove here. Now a menu option like this will appear. To cancel tap No. And to continue deleting the address, tap Yes here. You can delete if the address is no longer used. So that's it. Tutorial how to delete Amazon Shopping address on computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.